Hello everybody, Scott here from the Road Roomers. Today I have yet another video from our 2021 Hershey RV Show playlist. You'll be able to click on this playlist at the end of this video to view more videos of the show. And by clicking on our logo at the end of this video, you can subscribe to our channel. Also, if you'd like to be notified of future videos, you can tap on the bell below. All right, here we go with the video.
Okay, so we're here in Winnebago still. We're looking at a Forza, and this one is the 36H. The exterior length is 37 feet, 9 inches. So it's under 38 feet for those of you still looking. What I like is this has the Freightliner XCS chassis, and it provides up to 228 cubic feet of exterior storage.
Wow.
So, I'm not going to open them all.
No.
But this is just going to give you an idea of
wow.
the kind. Now this one seems to pass through the other side, but this is how large you're going to get for storage on this. And
pass through on the top.
So you have another large storage that looks underneath. You can pass through underneath if you have some stuff that I would add slide out trays, and then you'd have access to some of the stuff.
Yeah.
But coming from the other side, you do have the television here, and this one looks like we will have a washer and dryer.
Yes. And on this one you do have, of course, your cameras on the outside of the mirror. Looking down the side when you're backing out.
It's pretty looking front end there. Nice wide windows.
Very nice.
Alright, so it is a mid-entry again. I tend to prefer those, I'm not going to lie. So come on in. This has got a nautical theme, which really, since we are from the Lakes region in New Hampshire and we really like the lake, this one just spoke to me and said, come see me, because it's nautical. So I'm going to tell you right now, this is a step above the Vista. You have this whole side that slides, and when it slides, the cabinets come in, this stays put, but the cabinets come in. So I like this L shape, which also, this is great because it's going to give me a little more room to work, do dishes, prep, so forth. And it's out of the way when I don't want it. This, believe it or not, is a wall of cabinetry. And it is going to give you plenty of storage for your pantry needs and other needs. Got a nice dinette, folds down into a bed. You have the overhead bed in this one, so I'm starting to think you could definitely have some company on this one.
Yes, you could.
Nice storage above both of the seats and the dinette. I love this table.
Really, huh?
I love this. No, it's really just, I mean, whoever just did the nautical theme, perfect with the coloring that's in here.
Yeah.
So again, you're going to have a nice large convection microwave because you do not have an oven, but you have drawers, extra storage, but you have a larger surface area too, 3 burner, so that's good. Now coming back a little more, and this is the bathroom.
Yes.
And it has, I mean, the same cabinetry throughout, so it's nice. Nice shower, medicine cabinet, sink space.
Yeah, very nice.
And you got some towel bars here, there on the wall, hook on the door. The W hook that he has shown you before as well.
So Winnebago.
Yes.
Hook.
Oh yeah, this is feeling really good right now too. Nice large fridge and freezer. You will enjoy washer and dryer.
Mm-hmm.
Washer, dryer. Dryer's always on the top. Or not if you don't want one.
Right.
And in the bedroom, which has the sliding doors, so it's like a double door.
Yeah.
I don't want to get into it too much, but I will slightly.
Oh, yeah.
And then
That's
it
great.
slides back. So because it's just a little larger than what a single door would be, they kind of went with that split door.
I like the wide opening.
Yes, because they kept it wide open, so they went with that split door. So you have plenty. I mean, this goes all the way.
Oh yeah.
All the way through. Hanging space galore.
Wow.
Have the drawers.
Yeah, that's a ton.
And then this really does look like a residential sleeping area.
Pretty nice. Lots of room on each side.
Yep. I like these, so you can put things in here, and this helps keep it from jostling around too much while you're on the road. But plenty of storage, it seems.
Yeah.
Now for this one, you do not have. I mean, it's a nice, beautiful big window. You do not have the in-floor vents. On the first ones we showed you, the Forza, you do have in-floor vents, but on this,
No.
I'm sorry, the Vista.
The Vista
Forza,
has.
you do not have in-floor vents.
Aha.
So your price tag does move up because you have more fit, finish, features. So this is 304,600. No, it's a zero. Just over 304,000.
Yeah.
So that's the MSRP. But this is what you're going to get, and it's a little bit longer. So like I said, it's under 38 feet, so it's still not too long, but it does give you a little bit more room.
Fireplace.
Mm-hmm.
Nice. The bed comes down.
Yep.
Yeah, very nice. Freightliner.
Now it's time for us to stay out until it's late.